In this short tutorial, we will learn how to use My Messages tool in the LMS. My Messages is a communication tool that works similarly to email, and you will use it to communicate with your teacher. My Messages is the third tab under the LMS Tools section. Also, at the bottom of the navigation menu, there is another tab where you can view the number of unread messages. My Messages is divided into 7 tabs. Inbox displays messages you received from your teacher. Sent Messages shows messages you have sent to your teacher. Deleted Messages displays messages you have chosen to delete. Create Message allows you to compose and send a new message to your teacher. Draft Messages shows messages you have chosen to save as drafts. My Files allows you to upload files and share them with your teacher. Deleted Files will display the files you chose to delete. When you open the inbox, you will notice messages arranged in rows, while the columns provide details about each message. In the status column, open messages appear as open envelopes, while unopened messages show as closed envelopes. The From column displays your teacher's name, the subject column shows the message title, and the Received column indicates the date you received the message. Click on the message subject to open it. On top of the message box, there will be details related to your message. Messages typically include questions, tasks, or assessments presented through text and tables along with links. These links may lead you to download a shared file, direct you to a lesson or exercise in the LMS, or prompt you to visit an external website. Make sure to carefully read each message from your teacher. If you wish to respond, click on the reply option below the message box. You can also delete the message by selecting the delete option. When choosing to reply to a message in your inbox or creating a new message, you will be directed to the Create Message tab. There, you need to fill in your teacher's name and the message subject. Proceed to compose your message, and if needed, you can use the toolbar to modify the format of your text. For sharing a file, click Share File, which will lead you to My Files tab. Click Choose File, locate the file on your computer, then double-click it. The file name will be updated. Proceed to click Upload. The file will now appear in your uploaded files list. Check the box to the left of the file name, then select Share. The file will then be included in the message, and your teacher can view and download it once the message is received. To share links from the LMS, visit the lesson or exercise you want to share. Copy the entire link, and paste it into the message using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-V. The same process applies to sharing external links. After composing your message, including all necessary files or links, you can proceed to send the message to your instructor by choosing Send Message or save it as a draft by choosing Save as Draft.